Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, once again I have brought a very interesting question for you. But before proceeding toward the question, it is requested to the newcomer, please subscribe the channel Aptitude Math Learner. So let's begin with a question. The question today we are having that is, the certain sum of money is distributed among two friends in the ratio of 5:11. If one of them got rupees 1,200 more than the other, the total sum was, so here we are having two friends and the ratio here is given, that is 5:11. We take here that is, let the ratio be that is 5x and 11x. So if you look in the question, it says one of them get rupees 1,200 more. So here this is a bigger ratio, so here we take that, so this is 11x. So it says that from the other, so this is 5x, so this is the second person's ratio, and here one of them get rupees 1,200 more than the other. So here one of them have got extra 1,200. So we have just taken 11x is equal to 5x plus 1,200, and now for the solving we get here that is 11x minus 5x is equal to 1,200, and this becomes that is 6x is equal to 1,200, and for this we get the value for x, that is, so we will find out the value here for x. So 6 ones are and 6 2 the 0 0. So here the value for x we get that is 200. So this is the value for x. Now further in the question it says that the total sum was, so we have to find out the share for A and B. So here for 2%, so here for the first person that is in the ratio, that is, so this is first friend. So we find out the total amount for first friend. So this is 5x. We have taken first friend, that is 5x. Here this becomes that is 5 multiplied by 200, and we get here the amount for the first friend, that is 1,000. So this is for the first friend. And now for second friend we are having, that is, for second friend that was in the ratio that is 11x, and for this 11 multiplied by 200, so this 200 is the value of x, and this becomes that is how much? This becomes that is 2,200. So these are rupees, the share. So this is the share for the second one, and this is the rupees or share for the first one. Now the total sum, so in the question it asks that what is the total sum. So what was the total sum? So therefore the total sum now we have the total sum, that is, so here for the first friend that is 1,000 plus, and for the second that is 2,200, and the total sum here we get that is 3,200. So this was the amount which has been distributed among the two friends. So this is our answer as well. So I hope you have understood. If you like the method, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. So thank you very much.